Look how grown my kids are. My gosh. Look at him. Star boy.
What?
Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Look at Mama. Say hello. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And good afternoon and good night. It's a hot day here in France, as you guys can see. It's a morning, fam bam.
Good morning, guys.
Sarah, say morning, Fizz. Tie. Hey, yeah. You guys, today it's gonna be a busy road day. I have a few stops that I want to make to pick up a few things in order to make preparation for vacation. See, I'm a kind of person like this. A lot of cussing going on the road. I was wondering what's going on. That's why I paused and looking to see who had the right of way. Why she came up so much.
She cussed on the cross.
Ah, so it's the guy coming from up the road that should have.
The white that did that.
When you're sitting in the front seat, you see so much things that happen in front of you. It's crazy. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't like to wait last minute hearing about this a woman, but it's true.
Because he said connasse.
It's true.
I mean, it's a woman. Conna will be a man.
Oh my gosh, she's too funny. I don't like to wait last minute to do things. We have a little while before vacation, but to me the time is moving so fast. By the time you're quaint, Stella, please, Mama. If you guys know by now, don't leave home without Stella or else you're in trouble. By your queen, the time will be gone and the time is moving so fast. Can you believe that it's mid-May already? Then it's June, then it's July. Done. Vacation will become and done. So I need to get some things that I need to take on vacation with me. I need to get the kids some shoes, and you guys will see all the things that I'm gonna pick up today. So let's go on the road. Good morning, good job. So let's go shop hopping. We'll be going to quite a few stores. So enjoy today's vlog. Have a good day. Stay love, stay blessed. Catch up and keep up with the fam. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. And we out here in these streets. I'm so happy that the cold is gone, but the hot is here, girl, and it's here to stay. I need to get myself a Chinese fan, I like to call it, because when I am in public transport, for some reason I just feel nauseous at all times, and the heat just not for me. Ask me how am I an island girl? I don't know. I really don't know. But it's a different kind of vibe here. Anyway, you guys, see you guys at our first stop. They hear you, princess. Guys, first stop is shoes shopping for the kids. Come, Ty, come sit up. Hold on, Ty. What size? I didn't even look at the size. What size is in that one? EU what?
EU 33.
Okay, this is EU 34. Very good. Hold it up now. No, Sarah. Wow. A very nice sky.
Yes.
That's so cute.
And it looks like
Put on the second one just to make him feel comfy. You only took one?
Mama, me.
Me take it up?
Of course.
Go walk to Papa. Walk to Papa. So we're in a store called Decathlon right now. It's a sports store. They sell really nice things. Sarah, come. Pull. Go. Do some more. Slippers shopping for this little one, and I find this really cute one. He needed one of these. I finally got it. Got two shoes for the kids, got Taylor slippers that I wanted. Now we got those both in the Decathlon. Now we're on to the next store. Restaurant's full, lunchtime, but I ain't hungry. I made sure I carry snack for sandwiches for the kids because I know I'll be on the road during lunch hour. But yeah, mall is not as busy as I would expect it to be. I guess maybe because it's height of lunch hour, so it's perfect timing for me to shop. So I'm going in the supermarket to see if I find a few more things. So shopping is on. We're at Nice Mall Lingaste. Big mall. This mall is so huge. In the supermarket caught my eye. Let go of the stroller, please. Look how beautiful it looks. The umbrellas look nice up there, no? Taylor? Mighty. Wow. Look at the umbrella. Umbrella. It's pretty. Wow. Summertime, barbecues out. Summertime, barbecues out. Wow. Hand over mouth. Okay, I am looking for a small, yes. Yeah, I'm looking for a small hose for my pipe at home. Let's see if I find one. Hose connector sets. Okay, something like this that I'm looking for. But how do I know that this will connect to the pipe? I have no idea. So, okay, I'll have to wait for babe to come with the phone to see the picture. Okay, so try to figure out my hose. Tyler, this is what I was looking for.
This is what you're looking for.
Shh. Ah, yes, Sarah, it's time for you to get your bucket too. Yes. What? Wait. I'm looking for bubbles for the kids. Hold on. in the French aisle. I like to call this the French aisle because it's the wine aisle. Wine galore. In any supermarket in France, I guarantee you, you won't see just one aisle with wine. You have to have more than one. So this is just one of probably 3 in this supermarket of wine. Pick, choose and refuse. Pink, red, white, champagne, you name it, is here. Shopping done. Mission accomplished for vacation shopping. Now we are heading to look at some other few little things before we head to another spot, because I need to finalize Tyler bed decision. So I'm gonna see if I can go into IKEA today. IKEA just opened and I haven't been there as yet. So I need to go to IKEA and see what IKEA has to offer. And yeah, but shopping is going good. The day is going good. Good, good, good. Of course, we found a park. You're climbing up. Hold on. Go up. Good job. Slide. Whee! Get set. Go! Yay! She loves a good hopscotch. Good job. And of course, Normal is right here, so I'm gonna go in there. I love a good dollar store shop, and I like to get my macaroni and cheese from in there. So I'm gonna go in there when Sarah is finished. Yes? Yes? What do you want? Okay, sit. And your mark? Get set. Go! Whee! On your bottom. Alright, scrolling through dollar store to see if there's anything in here that I need. I love coming in here. Cheese, and it's the star product of the store, but of course, so you know I have to stock up. You guys, I forget to show you that I came home and whip up dinner real quick. quick fix cabbage and corned beef and the one and only rice. Okay, you guys, so that's where I'll end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy our little day out. It was a very busy day trying to get all the little stops. I actually didn't get to go to IKEA, hence you guys didn't see any of the IKEA that I had mentioned earlier in the vlog, but I'll definitely try and go probably next weekend or whenever time allows. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to the family if it's your first time. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.